Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today we will explain the basics of setting up and approving an apprentice's timesheet. This example uses a simple timesheet entry. For a complex entry, please see the other videos we have available. The Timefiler system can be used both as an app and as a website. We will use the website throughout this demonstration. To begin, go to the Timefiler website. In the My Time tab, you will see the apprentices working within your business. If you have more than one apprentice, you can use the drop-down button to see the full list and select each apprentice individually. When you click on an apprentice, you will see their timesheet. Next to each apprentice's name, you will see the status of their timesheet. All submitted timesheets are for host approval and must be approved before pay can be processed. On the timesheets, you will see the days in the week and the hours each day that have been worked. The start and end times have been entered by the apprentice. The break is automatically calculated based on statutory requirements. The apprentice will have selected the work type applicable for these hours. They also will have selected any allowance type and quantity. Comments may have been added by the apprentice to assist in your review. Each apprentice should provide a record of all their rostered hours. Please check that these hours are accounted for. The payments table at the bottom shows the total number of hours for the week. This is a good place to check if all rostered hours have been accounted for. At the bottom, the status table shows the story of this timesheet. Once you are satisfied that the timesheet is correct, click Approve at the top. If you disagree with any of the provided information, unsubmit. This will send the timesheet back to the apprentice. Please add a comment when you do this so that they know why their timesheet has not been approved. In addition to this, please discuss your reasoning with the apprentice so that they can gain a full understanding around why their timesheet has been sent back. The apprentice will then need to edit the timesheet and resubmit it for your approval. Your approval is required for payment to be processed. Timesheet Summary. The Timesheet Summary page is a quick and easy way to view all your apprentices and the hours worked. If you click Show Legend, this tells you what the colors mean. Orange timesheets require approval and green have been approved. Please ensure all timesheets are approved, otherwise payment to the apprentice cannot be made. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Haere rā!